Okay, fifth graders, moving on to our work for day 4 in phonics. Our objective is I can read, review, and practice words with variants. Okay, so you're going to need my word study book. Remember, it's number 2 again. And we'll be focusing on page 4. Right? It's an article called Hiking in the Arizona Desert. Right? So we have 2 objectives while we're reading today. We're going to circle 5 words with the short O, as in tall. Remember, olive. And where could you find more information about this topic? Use details from the brochure to support your answer. God, I think I even already know what the topic is based on the title. All right, so when we read this, we're going to think about where can we find more information about the topic. All right, I'm going to flip to the article in Benchmark. Okay, so we have hiking in the Arizona desert. Okay, remember, if you're confident in reading this on your own and answering those questions, please do. The answers will go right on the bottom of your page. Okay, if you'd like to stay and read along with me, I would love that. Okay, it's called Hiking in the Arizona Desert. Okay, so it looks like that's our topic. Hiking and then the Arizona desert. So two connections there. It says the Arizona desert is an unforgettable place with awesome scenery. Hiking is a great way to enjoy it. But even a short walk in the desert can be risky. So follow these simple rules. 1. Plan your hike carefully. Let someone know where you are going before you venture out. 2. Take enough water and energy snacks. Don't get caught without a map and compass. You may not be able to rely on your cell phone. Number 3. Respect the power of the sun. Always wear a hat, sunglasses, layered clothes, and sunscreen. 4. Watch where you put your feet and hands. Snakes and scorpions can hide in desert nooks and crannies. Number 5. Bring a small first aid kit because you never know when an emergency might happen. 6. Get back before nightfall. For more hiking tips and information about desert survival, go to our website. All right. So that last sentence answers that second question, I think. I mean, we could do a search on desert survival on Google. We could search for Arizona hiking to find more information. I also bet that there's a book in the library that we could find about Arizona and survival. All right. Now, the first question was finding words that had that short O sound. Ah. I notice here, awesome starts with that. Ah. So you could circle that word. Walk. Walk. You could circle walk. Okay, so go ahead and look through these words. See if you can find 3 more to circle. Okay, and then you'll answer the other question in the space provided. All right, nice work today, 5th graders.